The only thing I know is going to eat ODM big time is our nomination process. The people who are doing monkey business with the party when Raila was alive, and so they could mess. Then when things were boiling, Raila could calm people down.
Yeah.
If they go that route, they are going to remain there, two of them. That election board, and I don't know who. It is going to operate like Ford Kenya if they don't style up.
So you believe the time for direct nominations in ODM is done?
The other day I did tell you some of these leaders are test tube leaders. Viongozi wa Serelak. I told you the other time. Viongozi hawa wengine wao, in fact 80%, if you take them to the ballot, they cannot even be number 3. Yes. Because they were being elected on the premise that they are loyal. Are you getting that? Not that they deliver. They are loyal. The other day you are following social media. Somebody was telling them, start picking people's calls, my friend. Yes. Things have changed.
Washike simu.
So, and this is what is going to bring problems. If Gladys Wanga and his colleagues was ODM to remain, kama kweli walikuwa wanaheshimu mzee, nomination process must be free and fair. You are defeated, go. It is even better with them who are in high party position, they can cling on nomination. But not universally. If you go to Homa Bay, no one constituency, nomination imefanywa the right way. No one ward. If you go to Kisumu, the same.
Yeah.
You come to Nairobi here, certificates are processed and given to Aladwa. Aladwa gives them out in petrol stations, in hotels, so long as either you are the highest bidder or you are a baddie to them. With that kind of direction, and that's why you might get people, some of them trying to support Sifuna sentiment. Not that they don't like the party. It is because of the characters in the party. When it comes to, like, for example, get it to the other day.
Yeah.
You get my brother Gaucho bragging around. He wants to be the senator or MP. Now, surely. If merit is anything to go by, there are people who don't even imagine of being leaders of Mlango Kumi.
Before I cut you, sorry for cutting you short, but on that same issue, at least finally comment on the Kasipul by-elections.
Yes.
Will that be one of the biggest tests for ODM now, post-Raila Odinga? The
You've said
test?
it.
And how are you seeing it going?
According to me, from the word go, even when Raila was there, according to me, if the Kasipul residents have this, let that young man go in the terrain, he must show us if at all he wants to be elective leadership. For now, it's not yet. It's half-baked.
You believe so?
Not that I believe that is it. Some of them were in the politics for the last 15 years and actively. But when it comes to now, when proper competition is done, even you, when you are not taken, you even say, that my colleague was taken, that guy is still. Anatosha mboga. Lakini sasa, mtu hata hiyo lugha ya mama jui. Because kama yuko serious anataka mjumbe wa pale. Kuna good number. Bwana Chino, umewahi kwenda huko Ujaluoni? Kiswahili, my friend. Kiswahili, my friend, ni kama kwenda binguni. Are you getting that? Then you want to lead these people. So, one of the reasons why I'm saying it's not matured, by virtue he doesn't even know the little dialect of where he wants to run. That one justifies for you that even the needs of these people, he doesn't know. Are you getting what I'm saying? So let him mingle with them. After mingle with them, he's going to learn the art. Then at the end of the day, he's going to progress. Yeah.
So maybe in 2027, not now.
Even 2027 is still very near.
Aya, sasa Elliot.